simple, easy, and super swak sa budget. Hello beautiful people! Welcome sa ating channel. We have another brand new video for today. Ang ating pag-uusapan is, what is the secret of having a perfect white skin? Walang intake. Lahat po ay sa labas lang ng ating skin. Wala pong mga drip at wala pong gluta intake. So, ano po ito? Let's get started. It's been a while and I'm back. Merry Christmas, everyone. So today, our video is all about how to brighten and whiten our skin in just 2 easy steps with a brand that is all around us. Madali lang mahanap kasi this is over the counter and pwede rin sa online mabibili. Lahat kayo alam nyo ang brand na ito kasi matagal na ito sa ating market. Ito ay ang Ebony. I'm not obvious na bet ko siya. Super dami ko na po nabili nito. Ang isa dito is wala nang laman. Ito ang ginagamit ko for that healthy, glowing, whiter skin na hindi masakit sa bulsa and you can find anywhere. Kahit wala na tong laman, hindi ko po talaga siya tinapon. This is the brand new, which I just bought yesterday. Currently using this type. Meron pang laman, but konting-konti na lang. And I also have this one, which is the Milk Body Scrub. FYI lang, that Ebony pala is already 20 years in the market. It has proven its worth, its quality to our skin. Proud product from Thailand. Ingredients are the same, the quality, the texture, the scent are the same, but the packaging is different. This one, it has this, which is very convenient and easy to use. Just press it down and lalabas na po ang lotion. Madali itong masira compared to this one. Yan ang consistency niya, puting-puti siya. And I so love the scent because it's so mild. My nose easily gets irritated if the scent is too harsh. Easily glides on our skin, very soft, smooth. And what I like about it is a Milk Power Lightening Lotion plus collagen. It has 3 times collagen, moisturizing, whitening, and UV protection. This consecrated milk lotion provides your skin from UV rays and gives it a healthy glow. It is light and greasy and easily absorbed into the skin. It is specially formulated with Lacticare Milk Power and Collagen, which are gentle to delicate skin. It deeply moisturizes, eliminates skin dryness, and restores lasting radiance. Yogurt protein and milk protein double its effectiveness in giving you a younger look with bright, soft, and smooth skin. Collagen, this pure natural protein, improves skin firmness, reduces wrinkles, and enhances skin elasticity. How to use? Apply Ebony Milk Lotion all over the body. Skin will become radiant and its tone will be naturally lightened after daily use. Lahat ito ay nabili ko lang sa kanilang TikTok shop, which is the Ebony Philippines Mall. This 500 ml costs only 197 pesos. And for this 300 ml, this costs 176 pesos. Mas maganda po ito kasi marami ang laman at parang 20 pesos lang ang difference with this one. Madali lang siya masira, especially if marami kayong gumagamit. Step 2, to have a healthy, glowing, whiter skin. This one is the Ebony Spa Milk Power Salt Scrub. Take note, double collagen, whitening, and firming. It has milk protein, micronized salt, collagen in 320 grams. Ebony Spa Milk Power Salt is an innovation of salt scrub with collagen which offers a triple action. Micronized salt and allantoin strip away dead and rough skin cells. It instantly draws out dirt and impurities without irritation. Milk protein restores skin natural balance to get most of moisturizer. Arbutin and collagen leave your complexion brighter, smoother, and more even. The ultimate collagen extract fades away visible line and wrinkles and effectively firms the complexion. The minutes you apply, your skin will be softened and replenished. Directions: scrub gently to wet skin in a circular movement. Leave it in for 3 minutes and then rinse off with clean water. After use, you can feel your skin softness and smoothness. I just use this once a week kasi I don't have enough time or extra time if daily basis. Kasi ito ang kanyang itsura. Para lang siyang salt, parang iodized salt. Wala siyang smell at all. Meron siyang texture na rough para po to remove dry imperfections, rough skin. Dapat tayong gumamit nito. Hindi na natin gamitin yung mga old school na yung mga bato-bato, di ba? Before, ang ginagamit ko bato. With the change of time, meron na tayong more improved way of removing the impurities and dead and rough skin using this Power Milk Salt Spa. Sa amo sa mga Bisaya, so dali ra siya makuha mga dalikdik nato sa atong skin with this one. For this 320 grams, this is only 76 pesos. So super mura lang talaga, swak na swak sa budget. It really speaks to its quality because it has reached 20 years. So if it is not good, then most probably the product will not last this long. On budget ka talaga and alam mo na good quality and mura, you don't go wrong with Ebony. So, ito siya ang aking 2 easy steps to have that healthy glowing skin using only one product, which is Ebony, and super swak and super friendly sa ating budget. That is all our video today. You are part of this milestone since 2020, circa 2020, when I started vlogging about skincare content, for bringing me this far, and I owe you big time. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Merry Christmas, and wishing everyone a healthy, fruitful, happy New Year 2025. Remember, do good and good will come to you. May all our dreams come true. Gracias!